we're leaving Fort Wilderness and heading to Georgia. Whew. We had some rain last night, and whenever we started leveling the RV to get it like ready to drive, all the water from the roof was just like pouring out. And so now I'm like, hey, we don't need a motorhome wash. But Jaren's putting in the slides right now. And then as soon as this one goes in, he puts up the water, the softener, and the electrical and the sewer hose. Just most of them reel themselves in, but other than that, we'll be good to go on the road. And I was telling him, I was like, hey, we can caravan with 3 other families because they're right below us in Florida. I was like, hey, let's caravan. Let's all go up because we're going to the same RV park. So I'm trying to see if we can plan this right so we can be down the highway at the same time.
So nice having that controller back on. So you guys are out here with Molly. I was inside putting the slides and I usually just have my phone and I walk through and I watch them come in and stuff. It's not the coach. But recently we had, if you guys are following us on Instagram, we had the coach power was just insane and took a shot. So it's so nice being able to walk around now and just have your phone and just like have your slides come in and watch them. I was just thinking about that. It's so nice. Come outside and just put your stuff in.
Doesn't take us very long to do all this. Just go do the water, electrical, and sewer. Your job.
That's it. Ooh, the clean wheels. I'll wash the wheels.
I do think this is our favorite place to park at Fort Wilderness because we can walk through our back site to this walkway. This is the Meadows, which they have like shopping and pin trading in here that the kids like to go to. Over the bridge has the bike barn, the area where they do Chip and Dale sing-alongs, and then the pool is right here with activities, tennis court, playground, and a whole bunch of other things on this side. Last year we got a golf cart. It was great. We got to zoom around everywhere. If you're coming to Fort Wilderness, you also probably need a golf cart to get around and explore because, like, if not, there's no parking for cars. If you want to go to the activity area that's all the way down here where there's another park, restaurants and stuff like that, there's only golf cart parking and like manual bike parking. On the website, it says that you cannot bring your electrical bikes and ride them around. So I was like, hey, I'll just take them out and pedal. It's not gonna work because they'll see that they're electrical and they're prohibited. So we didn't take our bikes out. So we just were able to enjoy this area, which is totally fine. We did that last year and we just hopped on a boat to go over to Magic Kingdom and that was fun. But that would have been the only thing that we would have done over there other than maybe pin trade and play at the playground. So this area is perfect. We're in the 1300th loop and I think there was one other loop that's supposed to be recommended for bigger RVs. I would need to check that out again online, but as of right now, I think we'll just probably stick in this loop and stick around the 1325, 1326 because, hey, we want the back end of the 13th loop so we can walk here to the trail. So this part right here is perfect. It's perfect. We're gonna hook up the Bronco. I just need to pull up. He'll just tell me how far I need to go up and then I'll get all of our gear up.
So the other day I'm hooking on this side. Now we're hooking on this side and we're heading to Georgia. Gonna go hang out with some friends and have a good, fun-filled week. Double checking, everything looks good. Already did my full walk around. All has been double checked. Bronco's fully hooked up. Now it's time to hit the road.
Leaving at 11, we're on time.
We're on time. We're behind.
Nope, you did a good job. Leaving the RV park at 11.
Right. You know, when you see a buck, you just gotta stop. Molly is walking all the way to Costco, which is across the street. I'm not sure how she's gonna pull that one off. She got the bag and she's on a mission. I'm like, just take the Bronco. She's like, I got it. So we're gonna get some diesel. We're gonna find somewhere to park and then we're gonna see how she's gonna pull this Costco trip off. I'm sure she's vlogging about it right now, so we'll head over to Molly Camp.
Concord Costco. I'm not taking a basket across the street to Buc-ee's. I just grabbed a bag and I'm gonna walk back across. I talked to one of the persons people that were checking out all my items, and they said that they do need to have a crosswalk through here. This is insane. Absolutely insane.
I love Buc-ee's because they just make it simple, right? And like the depth is down there, so you can do diesel and depth. The thing is, I know the pump will probably stop at, I think, either 150 or 175. I kind of wish it was just full-time open, but hey, anybody looking for a job? Here you go. But usually it'll stop, I would say 150, 175, so I'm gonna tap the card again, restart it, and then keep on moving, but it's okay. So let's see if it lets me go past 175. What do we got? What are we gonna get? Looks like it's slowing down a little bit. Yeah, definitely slowing down a little bit. All right, let me see. It's gonna be 175. All right, we'll have to reset the pump. Just like that, I called it. So this is gonna be around 2. Let's see if we get another 175. I mean, diesel's not too pricey. We're at $3.39 a gallon. I mean, on the way here, I was paying pretty close to over $4 a gallon. So hey, I'll take that as a win. Still going on the second fill up. I did check inside and we are pretty close to almost full. That was funny, just like I said, almost close to full. So we have 175 plus 142.93. You can do the math. We got a full tank. We're good to go and hit the road. Just gotta wait on Molly to come back from Costco. One thing I love about coming to Buc-ee's is you have all this room to leave. I always try to get an in spot so I can just swing out, go in the parking lot somewhere. Hopefully there's somewhere for me to stay over there, but in spot, should be able to just go that way and wait for Molly. There she is in all her glory. She made it. She fought Costco on a weekend and she made it right after our fill up. We got some blockades going on here, but I think they can still get out. These people, they might end up working here. This Buc-ee's here in St. Augustine doesn't really have anywhere to park your motorhome after you fill up. So kind of keep that in mind, that you want to make sure that you fill up and just like hit the road. In Costco, it's a Saturday. What do you do? How was that?
Going over there was scary, but coming back wasn't so much.
High five, you got done. I just finished filling up.
I got like absolutely nothing, so don't be mad at what I got, because I got like 6 things.
I've just made it to Simmons Beach here in Georgia. It's a pretty nice beach. Got white sands. I don't know how loud it's gonna be or what we're gonna do, but we're gonna have a good time. There are tons of jellyfishes all across. You can see that they've all washed up. They have an entire path. You can see a little close up of it. I don't even know if they're actually alive, but definitely don't want to touch them. That would be a bad day.
Cannonball jellies. Right here's a moon jelly. The moon jellies don't sting, the cannonballs, but I don't trust not to touch those because they kind of look like they're the same thing. But these are cannonball jellies and those are moon jellies. All right,
so we got a little tsunami that's coming through. The sand's hitting my eyeballs. Definitely want to remember. Oh my gosh, I can't even, I'm squinting. Am I squinting? The sand.
The sand.
Where's the goggles? We should have brought the goggles.
You're not going to be able to hear anything. Wait, look that way.
Yeah, let me show you guys. Let me turn this around. I'm gonna cover my eyes.
Catch it!
Ah! What happened? I'm not sure I would recommend coming to the beach on a day like this. In all fairness, we didn't really know. But yeah, definitely gonna be cleaning sand out of my eyes. All right, scream it loud. Should I stay or should I go? Woo!
Definitely the wind picked up. It looks like a sandstorm out here.
We're heading back to the Bronco. We thought that it would maybe pass over a little bit and not get any rain, but now we got some rain and sand on the beach. Definitely not fun. So we're heading in. We're gonna get cleaned off.
We're gonna walk out. But yeah, this was pretty fun. I mean, hey.
Look, rest in peace, little tent there. Yeah, they're not coming back for that. We made it to someone's safety, right? Well, that storm came out of nowhere. But anyways, we're hanging out here. I guess this is where we're gonna have a party at. It looks like it's coming up pretty nice. We'll see what happens. pull you up. Still going at it. Do you remember the last time we did this? I think we were in Utah. We'll have to put the video right here. Do you remember when we were with Gigi and Papa? We went down and we were in Salt Lake City and there was a guy making bubbles.
We're making boutonnieres for prom. Right now, I'm trying to figure out like how big the boutonniere should be, but I feel like this is too big. This is more like a bouquet.
No, I think it looks nice because you're gonna wrap it, right? So
yeah,
you wrap
I
it
wrap
with the green tape.
Here, but it would be like right here on the body.
I don't think
Does
that's
that look like a big bouquet? I have an idea. I think maybe I'll take off like maybe some of the feathers and then maybe make this a little bit smaller, and that might make it centered. So
I mean, is there a thing where it should be like a certain size? Did you look?
No, but I don't want them to have to like sit there and just have it on their body and then it just,
I think
like,
that's the
weight them
perfect
down.
size. I like the way it looks, like the nice mix. I don't think it's too big. I don't think it's
feel
too big
like
at
it's
all.
the right size, but I feel like maybe we should like somehow separate some of these and like bend them to a certain way. Because I feel like that. I just need to flatten something.
Yeah, just smush it a little bit together.
We are currently curling Lily's hair for prom. We're going to put some styling powder inside of it because I noticed that we didn't have any hairspray, which is my bad, but I think the styling powder might work better. And then I'm going to just like run my fingers through each of these curls to kind of give it more of a beachy wave vibe, so her hair won't just be super curly like Shirley Temple.
Yeah, and this is pretty natural though too, and it kind of gives it the effect of like it's not greasy, so that'll be nice.
Right now we're walking across the RV park to an area where like the background's gonna be so pretty. I got Lily a photo session for prom, so she gets to take her cute photos, and all the other RVer kids are going to be going down here and going to get beautiful photos, and then they take group photos at this pavilion, and then they're gonna eat all together, and then we just let them go to prom. We don't get to hang out with them anymore. So it's gonna be a fun experience. I told Lily that she should video some stuff, so you're in charge of videoing some things. Got it? Maybe dancing? You gonna be excited about swing dancing? Yes? Yeah.
All right, tonight we're gonna roll some rice. Are you ready?
Sushi.
All right, we're doing veggie rolls, sushi rolls, all kinds of rolls. Tonight's one of the last nights we're all hanging out together, doing a little cookout.
Yeah, and we needed to go grab some gluten-free soy sauce. Didn't
Ooh.
realize that soy sauce had wheat inside of it until like we were cooking, and we're
Yep.
like, what?
Yep. We got everything out of the RV, and we kept having like small things happen. She's like, "What's going on?"
Well, there's so many, like you would assume
Yeah.
you take the pasta and the bread out, but then like there's so many different things like in ingredients that they just put them in there. Like, why do you need to put wheat in soy sauce? This
I
one
don't
doesn't
know.
This one doesn't have it.
Yeah, so we were like looking one day in the fridge, and we're like, "Oh, soy sauce contains wheat." And we're like, "What?" So
Yeah.
we actually found a really good brand. I don't know, what is this one right here?
This one is.
Roxy. What are you doing? Hey, Roxy. Roxy. Really? I just left. What do you think about the sushi?
That's pretty cool.
I mean,
definitely in there, and then they just like magically make sushi.
I mean, definitely got some pro sushi rollers. I mean, maybe new business on the road. What do you think?
How you do a really stuffed roll.
Let's see it. Let's go.
Like extremely stuffed.
Oh, so when you get past like the, and then you push. Oh.
And that just makes it like compact.
Okay.
So now it fits in the size of the sushi.
Perfect. All right, we got you. I got you. Let's do it. All right, here it goes. All right, what do we got? 1 out of 10. 20? Uh-oh. All right, Lily, it's your turn. Don't let us down, okay? You're the first of our family to make a roll tonight. All right? You got this. You waiting for a crumb to be thrown?
She's like, I'll take whatever I can get.
Latch it. Cap it.
Mark it with an L. No pressure. We're all watching you. Bring it home. Bring it home. Bring it home, John B. Nice. Okay, Lily's closing the roll. Let's see what you got here. Oh, got a little technique.
And then you
Oh.
just flip it.
Okay. Oh, you're gonna make me do it.
You do it, yeah.
All right. We're doing it.
Yep. Hold the whole thing. Flip it.
Perfect. You ready?
Lift it up.
Me next week, Amazon cart full of how to do sushi stuff. I mean, last week was sourdough, next week sushi. Boom.
So, just love all you guys. Love all the kids. Love that everybody gets along. It's like a really cool experience. Thank you guys.
All right.
Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky.